Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.
I am a citizen of Nigeria. I am a citizen of this country. If I say I am tired of this country, where will I go? I have an NIN. I have an international passport of Nigeria as a citizen of this country. The president is not representing Nigeria. The president is not representing the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Rather, he is representing the Federal Republic of himself and his family. We are dying. I'm in Abayo. I lost my home in Lagos and things were hard for me. I said, okay, make I come Abayo if life will be easy. Why are MTN scamming us? All the tariff are scamming us and Nigeria government are not doing anything about it. With Tinubu tell me that he's not subscribing. With Tinubu tell me that he's not seeing Nigeria hardship. With Tinubu tell me that Nigeria is okay. Nigerians are dying. Nigerians are dying. There is no work. There is no job opportunity. There is no good road. There is no water. There is nothing. Nothing has changed. Nothing is new. But they will go up there. They will go to the United States. They will fly over to the Canada. They will go to Australia. And they will say Nigeria is okay. Nigeria is not okay. We are dying. All the network are scamming us. All the network are scamming us. All the network are scamming us. Tinubu should see it. We need help. There is no president in Nigeria. There is no president in the state. We are suffering. We are suffering. Nigeria is suffering. There is no food, no good road. Everything has changed. Nigeria is dying. Nigeria is dying. The government are scamming us. We cannot eat 3 square meals. There is no food. There is no job opportunity. There is no good road. There is no water. Nothing in the state. Even the internet does not want us to come online again. The government does not want us to talk our mind. They are killing us. They have increased tariff. They have increased tariff so that we cannot come online every minute. Network is scamming. You cannot subscribe and use it well. When you subscribe, they will collect your money. They are scamming us. What is EFCC doing about this? If an individual scam, EFCC go arrest them. If an individual scam, EFCC go arrest them. What are we doing? Why don't they arrest MTN? Why are MTN scamming us free? They are robbing us in Nigeria in everything. We cannot eat. There is no good road. We are dying. We need help. Nigeria 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 need help. We are dying, oh. We are dying, oh. We are dying. The government are not representing us. They are representing themselves and their family. They are not representing the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They are representing Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. Federal Republic of Tinubu. We are dying, oh. We are dying. Tinubu said will not talk. Tinubu say if you talk, you die. Where is it in this constitution that you don't talk? If you talk, you die. Where is it that you don't talk? We cannot eat. We cannot eat 3 square meals. We are not surviving. There is no good road, no water, no job opportunity. You will go to school as a graduate. You cannot see job. If I ask some Okada here, they are graduate. They are driving Okada. Come on, Ghana. As a graduate, you work and earn 400,000. As a graduate, Nigeria, as a graduate, you earn 70,000. You earn 70,000. NYSC, 70,000. NYSC. And they are celebrating. They are dancing. They've not gone to any other country. They don't even want them to see the light. They are closing it against us. They don't want us to see it. The government are killing us. The government are killing us. If Tinubu continue, Nigeria will be no more. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. Nigeria is dying. There is no food in the state. There is no job opportunity. Tinubu is building an empty Nigeria. We cannot survive this. We cannot survive this. We are dying. We are dying. United States, Australia, Canada, come for our rescue. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna. Nigerians are gonna. Oh.
Mo kí wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi, mo kí wa pé akú ojú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Mo kí ẹ̀yin ìyá, mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá, mo kí ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kí àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín, ààyè ọpẹ́ yọ. Ṣó yọ lọ́dọ̀ sí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ a máa yọ fún wa, lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun láyé ọpẹ́, òun ló máa fi máa yọ. Èwo la mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Wípé kèmi àti kájọ ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe máa ń ṣe. Yorùbá ni mí, Yorùbá. Òun ni ìran mi. Eré wọn kò tí ò jíire. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbéra wa débẹ̀. Ṣé a máa rí wípé oníkálukú ti ń béèrè, a ní ta ni bàbá mi? Ta ni ìyá mi? Ọmọ tá mo jẹ́ gangan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ẹ máa bá wa kà lọ.
Good morning, Nigerians. I am in my hometown, Anegbete, in Isako Central Local Government. This is the net these kidnappers put on the highway so that when the vehicle or when any vehicle is coming, the net will just enter the vehicle, roll the tires, and probably the vehicle will not be able to run again. And the kidnappers will just come automatically. They will block the person and they will kidnap the person. So as at last night, there is this Fulani kidnapper, a boy, it's a Fulani by tribe, as I'm seeing him, because they have spoken to him. He said he's Fulani. Him and his gang, they tried to kidnap somebody who was coming to Anegbete last night. And the person, knowing fully well that things like that are about to happen, when he entered the net, he started driving with speed. And the speed was able to cut off the net, but one of them jumped on the vehicle, dragging the steering with the guy. And the man drove with speed, and he brought the guy to Anegbete because the guy held the vehicle very tight. When he brought the vehicle to Eleyi, fortunately, the vigilante group were able to block them. They were on duty. They were able to block. I think that's the chairman, it's Mr. Monday Osigala. They were able, the vigilante group, they were on duty. And they blocked them
not around
that last night. And they were able to apprehend the guy. I'm going there right now. People will see the Fulani guy we are talking about. Funny enough, the funniest thing now is this, that when this guy was apprehended last night, he has been boasting that he has been to area command and that they have always released him. That criminals will never finish in Nigeria, and that no matter how they torture him, he is not going to say anything. So now you say no matter what the police do, you not go talk anything, Abi. You not go talk, and you go continue to the thief. You now continue to the kidnap people. Nah so. You not going to do like that.
They no go fit come, ma.
The head.
Even though they carry anything, they no go fit come.
They no go fit come where una dey.
They no fit shop that money. They no fit carry am. They go kill Bature.
How many of una?
Now the one Jalil with my own second one. Now 3 will be.
Which bush una dey?
Now you know say now the same place we dey with the Jalil.
Who be Jale?
The one why they kill in neighbor. The one why they kill Bature. They carry Bature go Libya go na my own Ethiopia. They say the one.
But na Nigeria be you be na Nigeria you be.
Me na Nigeria I be.
You be Nigeria. Which state?
Na where state where I dey.
Which state you be? Be Katsina, be Kado, be where you be?
For both place. No be say na him na. Yesterday, no be here. They come and grab me. You see clothes why they carry.
Because what I am saying right now, before I finish this video, when this boy was apprehended by the vigilantes that were actively on duty last night, hold on. When they apprehended him, the room they kept him, they decided not to torture him. Decided to just like lock him up in a room. Unfortunately, for the chairman of the vigilante, most of his diet food, plantain, I think dried plantain and some other things that were there. This boy messed them up, pee on them, practically defecated on all of them. Most of his clothes, most of the things that were there, they messed them up. And this boy is saying right now that no matter what they do to him, he is never going to confess. That they are deeply inside the bush, inside the forest, and that people cannot get there. You now, if they follow you, you feel carry people enter the forest, you feel carry people enter the bush. You dey fear now to enter there. So if you go there now, they will kill you quickly.
If you are there here, they not go feel. My neighbor they quick come. Because I'm the second, they will come together. If they see me here now, they keep.
So this thing well na do last night, so he good? Abi he not good?
Me, I don't know, not be myself.
Okay, they bring you corn, a cow they won't use you can't do before. But all of a sudden now, because they can't carry you and start kidnapping.
They give me this thing.
They give you something, sure.
Yeah, fish. No, say me, I know the shop fish. I come the promise. He come on that. Me, I don't know, say nah, I say he come. I say thank God.
So right now, people can see, this is one of the kidnappers in Eleyi. Because of, they had to bring him out because he messed up the room that he was kept. Thank you very much.
Tell your papa, she, tell your papa, country hard. Tell your papa, she, tell your papa, people they die. Tell your papa, she, this one don't pass jaga jaga, 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 yama, yama, wuru, ojoro, mago, mago, where the mago mago dance, where the wuru wuru dance, where the mago mago dance. Shey, ebi pa mekunu, Tinubu, ebi pa mekunu. Say, how far? I swear your papa no try. Too much empty promises. Bala blue grammar, Bula blue wahala. On behalf of Nigerians, take our message to him. Kidnappers they kill Nigerians. Say, try travel by road without your security. Make you feel the pains of fellow Nigerians. You they fly private jet. Insecurity no be your problem. Nigerians when they travel by road, some of them they face death sentence. Any Odio, Odile, Shagamu, Ore, Bini, experience. Make you tell Mr. President, hunger day, you still want make them cooperate. If people they protest, you soldiers suppress them. Removal of subsidy, a bold step they call it. How much your papa don't say since he removed subsidy? Lagos Calabar Coastal Road, 4.9 billion per kilometer, 700 kilometers, run into multiple trillion. When normal road inside town, no get any attention. Even Dave Mai don't do us mago. Judiciary is compromised. State of emergency inside River State. Graduate, grab am. Definition of this government. Abayo, Natasha. I go soon shoot on a movie. Wait for it, it's coming. Tell your papa, she. Tell your papa, country hard. Tell your papa, she. Tell your papa, people they die. Tell your papa, she. This one don't pass jaga jaga, 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 yama, yama, wuru, ojoro, mago, mago. Where the mago mago dance, where the wuru wuru dance, where the mago mago dance. Cheyi, Alpha, Omo, Emi Loco. You say your papa na the best president. Okay, after 2 years, tell me what your papa don't do. Hunger won't kill us. To buy food, na luxury. Pomo, Eja, Iresi, Ewa, Issue, Gari, Indomie. Indomie, spaghetti. People they jump inside lagoon because of economic hardship. Very wicked policy, anti-people's policy. Country hard, people they die. On that day, your papa no try. We are not against your father. If your papa do well, we go praise him. If you no do well, we go yarn him. To buy food, na luxury. Electricity, na luxury. Your papa don't increase tariff. Even the lights we no see. To on AC, na luxury. Each one kill us for the country. To buy data, na luxury. 3 hours, you don't finish. Telecommunication companies co-night with the government. Banking industry co-night with the government to frustrate Nigerians. This na total wickedness. Your papa no be the best president. To buy cloth wear na luxury. One jeans 40k, t-shirt 25k. Ozu go, Ozu come, body no be firewood. Parent work every day, they still no fee pay school fees. Inflation for the nation, Nigerians no fee function.
Shout out to very dark black man. Continue to do what you do best. I hate you.
To beg him for money. You go to church to give him the money that you don't have, and then you go back home to beg him for money. I don't know, now they beg on yourself. You beg God, God will beg you back. You know, say you go house, you beg God for money. Then when you come to church, God will now lay it in your pastor's heart. Because that's what they always say. The Holy Spirit laid it in my heart to ask, to say this. Who can bring 1 million naira? You know, when you go home to beg God, God will wait for you when you go inside church so that he will beg you back. So you go home to beg God for money, and then you come to church to give God money. It's funny because your pastor doesn't follow this pattern at all. You know, he's the wisest person in that gathering, in that church. So he doesn't follow the art pattern at all. He knows that God does not give money. So instead of begging God for money, he uses his brain to take money from you in church. He doesn't go home to beg God for money. What he does when he gets home is to spend your money, to spend the money on luxury things, luxury lifestyle. You know, so he doesn't beg God for money. He takes the money from you. You know, you are gullible. You're very, very gullible. He takes the money from you, and then he spends it. He doesn't beg God for money, but he preaches to you that God will replenish the money.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, tí ẹni fún mi lórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti dìde dúró. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí orí ọ̀fẹ́ tí ẹ fi fún mi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí, mo láyọ̀ láti wà níwájú yín ní àṣálẹ́ yìí. Mo ní ta ni Allah, ta ni Jehovah. Ká tó lè mọ̀ nípa Allah, ẹ jẹ́ á wo ẹni tó mú wá fún wa. Ànábì wa Muhammad. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ kan ní Quran chapter 29 verse 27. Tí mo bá rórí ọ̀fẹ́ láti bá wa kà. Quran 29 verse 27. Mo fẹ́ fi ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ wá, àwa tá a bá wà online, ẹ jẹ́ ká farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Àti pé a fi Ísáàkà ta ọlọ́rẹ. Ísáàkì ni wọ́n ń sọ nípa rẹ̀, ọmọ tó ti inú Sáárà àyànfẹ́ Ọlọ́run jáde wá. Ẹ̀ka tẹ̀lé. Àti Yakubu tí ṣe Jacob. Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú.
A ṣe nínú àwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ rẹ̀ ní ìjẹ́ ànábì.
Àwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ Ísáàkì àti Jákọ́bù ló máa jẹ́ wòlíì Ọlọ́run alààyè. Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú. Àti Tírà, ìyẹn ni pé ta máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run rán wa.
A sì fún un ní ẹ̀san ní ayé yìí.
Ẹ ṣe sa ibi tá a fẹ́ lò nìyẹn. Tí Kùránì bá lè sọ fún wa pé nínú ọmọ Ísáàkì àti Jákọ́bù ni wòólì á ti máa wá. Tí wòólì kan bá wá láti ibòmíràn, só yẹ ká tẹ́wọ́ gbà á. Ẹ jẹ́ á bira wa léèrè yẹn àkọ́kọ́. Ẹ bá mi wo ìwé Exodus chapter 6 verse 2 to 3.
Ọlọ́run sì sọ fún Mósè.
Ọlọ́run sọ fún Mósè ìránṣẹ́ rẹ̀.
Ó sì ń fún un pé.
Ẹni sùúrù wo Mósè tá à ń sọ yìí inú ìran ta ló ti wá? Ìran Ábúráhámù, Ísáàkì àti Jákọ́bù. Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú sà.
Ó sì sọ fún un wípé.
Ó sọ fún un wípé.
Èmi ni Jèhófà.
Èmi ni Jèhófà.
Èmi sì farahàn Ábúráhámù.
Mo fi ara ran Ábúráhámù. Ísáàkì
àti Jákọ́bù.
Ní
Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè.
Ẹ ṣé sà. Kùránì ta kà ń sìn àwọn wo ni Ọlọ́run bá dá májẹ̀mú pé òun máa mú wòlíì wá. Ẹ bá wa sọ sókè. Ísáàkà ta ló sọ níbẹ̀ yẹn náà? Ísáàkà ó tún pe orúkọ ẹlòmíì tẹ̀lé tá a bá lè rántí. Àti Jákọ́bù nínú Kùránì yẹn náà talent tó dárúkọ. Ó dárúkọ Jákọ́bù ẹ wá kà síwájú.
Ní Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè.
Ṣùgbọ́n sà.
Orúkọ mi. Jèhófà. Ni wọn kò fi mọ̀ mí.
Mo láyọ̀ fún àwọn orin kan tí mò ń gbọ́ nígbà tí mo débí báyìí. Wọ́n ní ohun tí Musa mú wá fún wa. Bóyá àlétí ọ̀sálàm lẹ máa ń sọ ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Mo ti sọ fún wa pé kò sí ìjà ẹ̀sìn. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Kò sí ìjà ẹ̀sìn. Ẹni Musa yẹn lẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé. Musa ò mọ orúkọ Ọlọ́run èmi ju kán ní Yahweh àbí Jehovah. Tí àwọn Yehudi ìyẹn tá ń pè ní Jew àbí Nàsárà àwọn Kìrìsìtẹ́nì tí wọ́n bá máa pe orúkọ yẹn bóyá Yahweh ló fẹ́ pè àbí Jehovah wọn kì í pè síta. Wọ́n máa pè sínú ni torí orúkọ tó ju gbogbo orúkọ lọ. And now ẹnìkan wá dé tí ò sínú àwọn wòlíì tí Ọlọ́run ò sọ wípé nínú ìdílé tó ti máa wá torí tá a bá wò Ismaili descendant ẹ̀ ní Kùrẹ́ṣì ti jáde. Asimu nínú ìdílé tí Muhammed ti wá kìí ṣe nínú ìdílé Isaki àti Jacob rárá. So fún ara ẹ̀ ló jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé òun lè ṣe wòlíì Ọlọ́run with that statement. I'm so sorry ò já ìjà ẹ̀sìn o mo tún fọ Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ wá. So tá a bá wá wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn a rí wípé láti Genesis torí pé gbogbo alágbàgbọ́ wípé Tọ́ra ìwé 5 àkọ́kọ́ Mósè lọ́lọ́run fi hàn fún tí Genesis fi end tí ìwé 5 Tọ́ra àkọ́kọ́ fi end títí dé New Testament bóyá Injil lẹ́yìn mùsùlùmí máa ń pè é a ò gbọ́ níbì kan rí kí ẹnìkan pe Ọlọ́run ní Allah. Now who is the Allah? Orúkọ Allah gangan ni Baal-Uba òòṣà òṣùpá. Baal-Uba tá à ń sọ yìí òòṣà àwọn ará Hítì àti Ámórì ni. Àwọn Northern Arab tó máa ń ṣe òwò tí wọ́n dé ìlú yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ń tàn wá àwọn Assyria náà ń bọ̀ torí nígbà tí Senakeribu tó ń challenge àwọn òòṣà ó challenge òòṣà Ifá náà nínú ìwé 2 King. Ó níbo ni òòṣà Amati wà Apagu òòṣà àwọn ará Assyria òòṣà Ifá ibo ló wà. So gbogbo wọn ló ń bo àwọn òrìṣà yẹn ibẹ̀ ni a ti wọ́n wò ṣe pé òòṣà yìí jẹ́ òòṣà tó níyì nínú wọn. Wọ́n mú lọ sí Mecca òòṣà tó wá Mecca wá jẹ́ 360 idols. Tó bá jẹ́ pé irọ́ ni mo pa àwa tá a bá jẹ́ researcher ibi tí fóònù wá wọ ẹja bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Ó jẹ́ 360 ibo la kó wọn sí inú Kaaba. Inú Kaaba yẹn la kó wọn sí tá a ti ń sìn wọn tá a ti ń bọ wọn. Kódà nígbà tí Muhammad wà láyé.
You see this their biblical God, this their book God, this their holy book God when they carry come Africa. The guy take the work. You know they work with that poverty and problem and disaster and crime all over the Africa. Now this their God take the work. In fact, for inside this life, you no go see person wey be say they live peacefully, they shop, get in accommodation when they sleep, they go they come peacefully, get in wife and queen around am. That kind of person no go help you. They believe in this God. Now trouble. That's now make you go see Nigeria pastor. They preach about trouble, problem, all these things. to promote the Bible God because he work in crime. He dey work in a crime, poverty, problem. Even some Nigeria dey talk now, they go say, Omo, if you get problem, you go know God. Oh. If you never know God, now be say you never get problem. Get some kind of problem when you go enter, you sabi God, you come dey pray. You see that statement. Now make this government now, they create more problem, they create more trouble. As they pursue you, they pursue God. As they pursue you, they pursue prayer, they pursue fasting, they pursue God. Now make them turn themselves to lion now, because they pursue antelope and goat for inside bush. Because if they not pursue you, you will get rest of mind. Yes. If they not pursue now, you go get rest of mind. And that rest of mind is against biblical God. Biblical God no want rest of mind. Allah no want rest of mind. Now disaster, poverty, problem, great crime everywhere. Make people they run kitty, kata kata, kitty, kata kata. Now this they are going to the work. Look around now, you know see, people when they live on that bridge, pursue them, come out for that ghetto, pursue them, come out for that place, pursue them, pursue. And those people when they pursue, what did they talk? May God help us, oh. Kolon shanu wa o, Kolon gba wa o. You know understand? That is how it work. It works in a bullshit. You know, they work in a joyful, peaceful, you know, peace of mind, happiness, joy, liberty, unity. You know, they work in that way. Oh. Biblical God and Allah, they are against all this thing I tell you so. They are against peace of mind, joy, happiness, unity, liberation of the people. They don't want that because those pastors and affair are not going to shop. They're not going to see what to preach. Oyedepo abi Oyewere. Atadeboye. Adewere. Daddy Jiwere. Daddy Ole. All of them did and I give their chance now when they take the casual people with the name of God. So these people are real criminal. I wish Nigeria can wake up one day without not going to church, not going to mosque. Stay your house. During the time of COVID-19, when we not go church and mosque, we die. They not close their holy land. They lock every church. House of God, they lock them. The God not get power to go open now. Open house, they lock house of God. You see, say, religion is a politics. Now I make you they see all this Boko Haram now, Fulani Esme, all of them full inside bush. They pursue my mama, they pursue my papa, make they come out for farm. So they not go fit get rest of mind. Pursue, kill them, pursue. Use malu, they shop their farm, shop their cassava, shop their yam. They brutalize them. So they can never be rest of mind. They can never be unity. You can't unite in midst of poverty. How you go to unite when poverty dey? Poverty when go make papa, mama, everybody. Not be they see for the society today so. Everywhere scatter. Everybody scatter. Everybody run. Police they come, army they come. Confusion everywhere. You know see, they don't cause confusion for everywhere now. Everybody call they run. Everybody call scatter. Papa dey Ajangbadin. His wife dey Mowe. His pikin dey for relay. You see? Tell me how unity go take dey this Africa.
Òòṣà yìí ti béèrè Muhammed rí bàbá ẹ̀ ní òfin sílẹ̀. Ó tọ̀rọ̀ ni mo sọ. Ó ti béèrè ẹ̀ rí. Ó dẹ̀ jókòó báyìí. If you want me to prove it for you. Ọlọ́run náà ni ẹ wo lógun Ọlọ́run yẹn. Òṣùpá, ìràwọ̀, ẹ wo dáadáa. Ó ní kámẹ́rà ẹ bá wá síbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n rí. Ẹ jẹ́ wò láti wájú báyìí. Òun lẹ wò láti wájú. Ṣé rí báyìí? Ẹ wo. Ṣé rí dáadáa báyìí? Ó ti clear báyìí. Ẹ ṣe. Lógò tó ń lò, lógò tí wọ́n fi ń bọ òṣùpá àti ìràwọ̀ ni. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ ń sọ kínní kan fún wa, kò sí ìkanṣo nínú ìlànà tó mú wá tí ẹ̀sìn Mùsùlùmí ń lò tí Ọlọ́run tẹ́wọ́ gbà. Deuteronomy chapter 18 verse 9.
Deuteronomy chapter 18.
18 verse 9. Ẹ máa ní sùúrù 10 to 11 na àwọn point wá wà.
Nígbà tí ìwọ bá dé ilẹ̀ náà.
Nígbà tí o bá dé ilẹ̀ náà.
Tí Olúwa Ọlọ́run rẹ fi fún ọ.
Tí Olúwa Ọlọ́run rẹ ti fi fún ọ. Àwọn Yehudi ni Ọlọ́run bá sọ̀rọ̀ níbi àwọn ọmọ Israẹli nígbà tí wọ́n kúrò ní Egypt láti ọwọ́ Fìràwọ́nà. Ẹ kà síwájú.
Kí ìwọ kí o má ṣe kọ́ àti ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwà ìríra àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè wọn ni.
Má kọ́ àti ṣe gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìríra àwọn orílẹ̀-èdè wọn ni. Ẹ tẹ̀síwájú.
Kí a má ṣe rí nínú yín ẹnìkan.
Ká má ṣe rí nínú yín ẹnìkan.
Tí ń mú ọmọ rẹ̀ ọkùnrin.
Tí ń mú ọmọ rẹ̀ ọkùnrin. Tàbí ni wọ́n ní kí ṣẹ̀tì fi wá. Tí mo bá parọ́ ẹja mi ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí.
Why do Africans still worship foreign gods? The bigger question, why are Africans still dominated by foreign gods and religions? Christianity and Islam were used to justify colonialism, keeping Africans in a submissive mentality long after colonialism ended. Many of these faiths reject modern medicine, instead clinging to faith healing, just worsening things like AIDS and HIV. Ladies and gentlemen, let us not forget that the Catholic Church condemned the use of condoms, which led to the spreading of AIDS and HIV on a scale never seen before. And lastly, Africans are taught to pray for solutions instead of actively working towards this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a trap. This is a way of controlling a person. What is the best way of keeping a prisoner imprisoned? Is to have the prisoner believe he is not.
Mo rò pé gbogbo wa pátápátá bó ṣe lọ sí ojú wo lẹ fi wò ó. Èrè orúkọ bàbá ẹ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa pín ètò yìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa fi comment yín sílẹ̀. Àwọn máa mú wá lóòrèkóòrè. Àwọn máa mú wá ní oríṣiríṣi ojoojúmọ́ la wà pín. Ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe sí orí ìkànnì wa so that anytime tá bá ń ṣe program ẹ lè máa rí notification. Mo wá fún work ni o, mo padà sílé ni. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.